militate against human dignity. Article 24 prohibits employing children below the age of 14 years in any hazardous profession. This right followed the human rights concepts and United Nations norms. Article 25 to 28, which provides right to freedom of religion. Article 25 and 26 embody the principles of religious tolerance and serve to emphasize the secular nature of Indian democracy, that is, equal respect to all religions. Article 25 offers freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion, whereas Article 26 helps to manage religious affairs, which is subject to public order, morality, and health. Every religious denomination or any section. Article 27 provides freedom not to pay taxes for religion expenses on the promotion or maintenance of any particular religion. Article 28 prohibits religious instructions in educational institutions wholly maintained by the state. Article 29 and 30 rights to minorities, that is, cultural and educational rights. Article 29 provides protection of the interest of minorities. A minority community can effectively conserve its language, script, or culture by and through an educational institution. Article 30 states that the rights of minorities, whether based on religion or language, to establish and administer educational institutions. Article 32 to 35, which are right to constitutional remedies. Rights, in order to be meaningful, must be enforceable and backed by the remedies in case of violation. This article guarantees the right to move the Supreme Court by appropriate proceedings for the enforcement of fundamental rights and deals with the Supreme Court's power to issue order or writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Article 33 empowers Parliament to modify the application of fundamental rights to the armed forces or forces charged with the maintenance of public order. On the other hand, the Article 35 lays down that the power to make laws to give effect to certain specified fundamental rights shall vest only with the Parliament and not with the state